Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone doing good. So today we are going to start a new topic in CRT classes, that is time and work. So time and work, the many people feel some difficult, but this concept, if you understand the basic and what is the relation between the persons and work and time, then you can easily solve these time and work questions without confusion. First thing. And second one, from today onwards, the people which topic is completed, after completion of the topic, every topic, I'll connect one exam in a class only. Like in a class, I'll give some questions. You have to solve that questions by calling the roll numbers. Okay, that person should use the screen and they need to write the exam. Okay, and then share this today's class information to all others. So those who not don't have the information about the combined class, every day we'll have the class from 1:45 to 2:45. Okay, and 1 hour you have to spend, and make sure that you just finish your lunch, everything, and just ready for the class. Then we'll start the class. Okay, is it clear, guys? So one more important thing I just forgot to inform. So here from today's onwards, what I am expecting from your side, that is response. So here if I comment the classes, means some people already completed these topics, maybe some people having the idea about these topics. So whoever this completed the topic and having the idea about this topic, if I ask any question, first try to give the answers in chat box. Okay, give the response. That may be asking the questions, and so if you people will give the response, that's really good for our class. So I can understand that you people are listening. So the number is here 62 and more than 62, but how many of you the listening industry, I don't know. So that's the reason I'll ask the questions. Don't do these things. Okay, now we'll start the class today. What's our topic? Time and work. Now, here three variables is there in time and work. This one is persons and time and work. So persons represents like a man, woman, and children also. Even in this concept, we can people in questions ask like even children also work. Children also work, but don't say that children's child labor is problem. So here we can consider that children also will work here. Okay, and men will work more than women. That means efficiency. And women can do the work compared to children. It's more. Okay, this is what the about the persons. And here three variables will find it: time and work. Time and work complete process. Three variables will be there. Three variables. What is that? Persons. That may be a man, woman, children. Okay, and then another one is time. What is the time? Here, many of the questions they will call as days. Time they mention in days. Maximum they mention in days. So very few questions will get hours. That's it. Okay, and work. What is the work here? These two making or doing something, so that we can call as a work. That units are work as a one. We can consider like this: work as a one and work as a total units. We can consider this. Okay. Now, the first thing. So these are the variables we are going to use here. Work will be then work will done. Assume like a one. Total work is nothing but one, and total work is nothing but units of the work. Units of the work. Okay, we'll see. We'll see now the remaining basics. First of all, a relationship between this. A relationship between this. Suppose relationship. Suppose A is a person. A is a person and A is a person. He can do a work, complete a work in 60 days. In 60 days. Okay, think like this. Suppose A is a person, he can do the work, maybe construction of wall, construction of a small wall. He can do in 60 days. Okay, so construction of the room, whatever you just think. Some work he's doing, he complete that work. From starting to ending, he complete that work in 60 days. Totally 60 days. Suppose how many persons here working? A. A is single person, he is working for 60 days. Suppose 2A is working on the same work, is working on the same thing. So how many days he will take? How many days they will take? So previous in 60 days, there's nothing but only one person. Single person is taking 60 days. Now we added one more person, nothing but 2A. 2 persons here added. Okay, 2 persons can finish that work in how many days? In how many days? Will greater than 60 or less than 60? 120 days. Super. Actually, that's what we have to confuse in this. Suppose think here. A is a person, he can finish 60 days. That complete work he can complete in 60 days. Suppose one more person also join here. One more persons are also join here for working that work only, working the same work. To do the same work, they join here. Okay. Now A is 2, double. That means they can do the double work. They can do the double work of the compared to single. So 2 persons is working in the same day, same work. So they will complete that work in less time. How much it is less? If it is multiplying by 2, here it is multiplying by 1 by 2. Inverse, just inverse. Just inverse. That means nothing but 30 days. Right? Suppose if 3 persons is there, 3A, same efficiency persons, 3A members is working, then how many days they will take? So 60 into 1 by 3, right? It's nothing but 20 days. They can complete the same work in 20 days. So here, just observe here, people are increasing here, 2, here 3, increasing, and days is decreasing, right? So people increasing and days is decreasing. What's the relation between persons and here? Persons and work. Persons and work. So whenever the persons increases, the work or time, the time will decrease, or it's nothing but 1 by days. You can write 1 by days, inversely proportional. So persons always inversely proportional to the time. It's nothing but days we have to consider here. Okay, persons always inversely proportional to days. So if persons increase, days will decrease. Okay, persons increase, the work is done by 1 day, it is increased. The work is 1 day, it is increased. The total work will complete in less time. Okay, that's what the relation between the person and days. It is very, very important. Just note down this point. persons and their relationship. Okay. Now, another point we'll see. No. Efficiency or capacity or one day work is equal to efficiency, capacity, one day work. That means nothing but stamina in a oral language. Just it's nothing but stamina. Okay, think. One person is there. Take from your class only. 2 members is there. One can eat more and one can eat very less. Okay, that type of persons will take. So suppose one person can eat 3 apples in a day. 3 apples in a day. Okay. If I given 12 apples to that person, 12 apples to that person, he can, how many days he can eat that one? In how many days he can eat that all 12 apples? See, I will give here. Suppose it's nothing but A is can complete a work in 10 days. 10 days. B in 15 days. And C in 30 days. Right? Now, see. Here we'll see as a concept, a method of rule of flip. Rule of flip. So this one. Rule of flip. Not a problem, not a problem. I'll check them. Okay, anyhow, see here. So the concept of rule of flip here, rule of flip. What is rule of flip means? Suppose take a piece of cake here. Take a piece of cake. I have a cake and I can divide this cake. I mean, I can cut this cake in 4 parts. As a 4 parts, I can cut this cake as 4 parts. I have 4 days to eat. I have 4 days to eat this entire cake. Now, each day, one day, how much cake I can eat? How much cake I can eat? I have 4 days. I have 4 days. I cut these 4 parts. Then how much part I can eat in one day? It's nothing but each day 1 piece, right? 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4. If I eat like this, 1 part of the day, 1 part of the cake piece in first day and the second day, third day, fourth day, I can complete this entire the cake in 4 days, right? Suppose the same thing, if I work in, if I have 8 days now, if I have 8 days, if I have 8 days, then I have 8 days to eat this. Just a minute. So efficiency, that means if I have 8 days, if I have 8 days, then I can eat 8 pieces, right? I can eat 8 pieces in 8 days. That means each day one piece is nothing but 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Suppose 10 days, 1 by 10. Suppose 30 days, 1 by 30. Okay. This is called as a rule of flip. Whenever if we have the work, the total work, if you have the total work, then what is your efficiency? What's your capacity is nothing but how much work you can do in 1 day. You can do the whole work in 4 days. Yeah. If I have whole days, that's nothing but 1 day work. 1 day work is nothing but 1 by 4. If suppose I have n days, think I have n days to eat this cake, n days to eat this cake. So each day, 1 day, I can eat 1 by nth of the cake. 1 by nth of the cake, right? 1 by nth of the cake I can eat. So n days is there and 1 by nth of the work. This is work or efficiency. Okay, this is work. So if whatever the number is there, if n days, then we can get a 1 day work. This is nothing but 1 day. How much work he can complete? So how much work he can complete in 1 day? Okay, like that. So n days into n. Nothing but n and get cancelled, will get 1. So in a rule of flip, the work as a work were considered as 1. The total work is 1. Okay, total work is 1. Then suppose A is complete a work in 10 days. 10 days, and B can complete in 15 days, and C can complete in 30 days. Then A can do in 1 day 1 by 10th of the work, and B can do 1 day, he can complete 1 by 15th of the work, and C can do 1 day work is nothing but 1 by 30. Just total number is there n. Just this is very important point, ma. If you understand this one, then you can solve the any type of time and work concept without any confusion. So n days is there, 1 by nth of the work he can do. He can do means his capacity in 1 day. His capacity in 1 day. That's the same thing. Take the apple example. Suppose 9 apples are given to one person. He finished these 9 apples. He finished these 9 apples in 3 days. 3 days. What does that mean? So total how many days is there? 9 days. 9 apples. It is nothing but work. Okay, 9 apples is the work. And how many days he completed? How many days is completed? 3 days. 3 days. In 3 days, he eaten the 9 apples. So one day, how many apples he eat? Sorry, one day, how many apples he ate? It's nothing but how many days is there? Totally 3 days. It's 1 by 3. 1 by third of the work. That means each day 3 apples and plus 3 apples and plus 3 apples. This is total work. This is total work and this is total time. So how many days is nothing but 1 day capacity. 1 day he can eat 1 by third. 1 by third means 9 into 1 by third. It's nothing but 3 apples in a day. In a day, like that. Okay. In a day he can eat 3 apples. Done? No. This is comes under the rule of thumb. It's very, very important. You have to understand. Only the thing is, first one, persons inversely proportional to, persons are inversely proportional to 1 by days. Okay, that is the first thing. And then efficiency or capacity 1 day work is nothing but 1 by number of days. Number of days. So efficiency, capacity or 1 day work is nothing but 1 by number of days. The very, very, very important point in time and work. So if you understand this concept, so how many days will be there and what is his 1 day work? 1 day work is nothing but efficiency of that person or capacity of that person. Okay. Or he can do 1 day work of that in that work. Okay. Now, so these two are very, very important points. These are one method. It is one method. But here, in time and work, we have different methods to solve the problems. At least we'll know 2 methods, then it is easy to find the answers for different questions. Because here we cannot solve this in one method. We cannot solve in one method the all questions. So we have to know that the different methods and we have to know that where we can apply these different methods. Then based on this, we can solve this time and work problems easily. So one method is rule of flip. So to converting the total work in 1 day work, the total work in 1 day work. So here you just say A can complete in a work in 10 days. Then how many in 1 day? How much work he can complete in 1 day? How much work he can complete? Guys, give the answers fast. A can complete. A can complete a work in 10 days. Then in 1 day his work is nothing but in 1 day is nothing but 1 by 10. And B in 15 days. B in 15 days. In 1 day, one by 15. Okay. Now C is 13 days. Sorry, 30 days. In 1 day, how much work he can complete? It is 1 by 30, right? So you should know this all the things. And one more important thing, in rule of flip, rule of flip, the work consider is 1. The work is nothing but 1. That is very important. Work done by work is nothing but 1. So that the reason 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 30. Okay, is it clear? No. Rule of flip already discussed. No. Second method is nothing but LCM method. LCM method. So in this method, we can find the total work in units. The same example, just take. So A can do in 10 days, and B can do in 15 days, and C can do in 30 days. 30 days. C can do in 30 days, right? Now, so how we are going to consider this? In the previous rule of flip, I said the work is nothing but 1. And here the work is nothing but units of this, or LCM of these 3 numbers. LCM of these 3 numbers. So what's the LCM of this? 10, 15, and 30. Okay, what's the LCM? This is a factor of 30. This is also a factor of 30. So 30 is the LCM. Okay, 30 is the LCM. Now, what is this 30? This is total units of the work. Total units of the work. Right? So total units of the work is 30. These 30 units, A can complete in 10 days. B can complete in 15 days. C can complete in 30 days. Just think, 30 apples is there. 30 apples, 30 units. Instead of assuming that units, you just assume that 30 apples. 30 apples is there. A can eat these 30 apples in 10 days. B can eat these 30 apples in 15 days. Okay. And C can eat that is in 30 days. Right? So total apples is 30. C can complete in 30 days. That means for every 1 day, 1 apple he can eat. And B can having so B can do 15 days, right? Yes. 30 units, 30 apples is there in 15 days. In 15 days. So it's nothing but 1 day, 2 apples. Okay, 1 day, 2 apples. And come to A. So 30 units is there. And 1 day, for 1 day is nothing but 30 units per total days. So it is nothing but 3 apples. 3 apples in a day. 3 apples in a day. So that is based on the units. Based on the units, we can find out the efficiency. Efficiency based on the work, based on the total units, and how many days he is taking to complete that work. Okay. Then it is nothing but LCM method. So you can solve this method, either that method, but you should know that in very clear. Okay, you can solve by a rule, by using the rule of flip also you can solve, by using the LCM method also you can solve, but you should be clear in that concept first of all. Okay, clear? So whatever it is, first we are going to find out the one day, sorry, consider say LCM method is total is units, units for sorry for making confused. So work is nothing but units in units. Okay, now we'll check some basic problems, then we'll go further. And before going to the problems, how many types of questions we'll get here? What are the types of questions we'll get in here? The first thing, together questions, alternate questions. Alternate and living or joining and wages together, alternate days and the living or joining and wages and remaining work right, remaining work. So based on this we'll get the questions mark. That may be together. No, they ask 2 members, 3 members, they're working together, then how much time it will take. And alternate days. So alternate days is nothing but one day a person is working, and second day that person is in rest and another person will be work on that one. And third day again the first person will work, the second person will take the rest. So this time it is completely recycling. Okay, that's, and then now remaining and leaves wages one by one. These all the types, 3, 4, 5 types is there. These all 5 types we'll discuss from low level to hard level. Okay, now consider first of all in LCM method. Sorry, I'll discuss this one here. We'll start the basic question. A can do a piece of work in 8 days. B can do in 10 days. How many days would it take for both A and B finish the same work? What they're asking, they given individual works of A, individual work of B. Right? Now, how many days would it take for bath and B A and B finish the same work. So what they're saying, simply two persons is doing that work. So how many days it will be take? Okay, now 9 days. So okay, so check now. First of all, so I'll comfort with the LCM method. Very few problems will be there, but that time you need to change. Okay, here see a piece of work in 8 days. A can do a piece of work in 8 days. 8 days. So total work in 8 days. This is nothing but total work in 8 days. And B can do the same work. A can do in 8 days. B can do the same work in 10 days. Just now you convert efficiency of this one. Efficiency of this one. Rule of flip. By using the rule of flip, just find the efficiency of this number. What is that? 8 days total. Then 1 day, how much work? 1 by 8. Right. So 1 by 8. And here B is 10 in 1 day. B is 10 days. 1 day, it is 1 by 10. Yes. So what they're asking, together they are working. If together they're working. Sorry. Together they are working. That means it's just adding, right? Just adding. Is it clear? So now take the LCM. It is nothing but 40, and here it is 5 plus just 5 plus 4. It's nothing but 9 by 40. What is 9 by 40? Just don't confuse here now. We are first converting the 1 day work. This 1 day work of A, this is 1 day work of B. After that, we are adding these two, 1 day work of A and 1 day work of B. We are adding. Then we're getting 9 by 40. 9 by 40. But let's see. Here 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B. We know that this is nothing but 1 day work of both A and B. 1 day work of both A and B. Suppose if how many days is nothing but 40 by 9. So just inverses. 1 by 9 by 40 is nothing but 40 by 9. Right. So if you are converting by using the rule of flip, so this 8 days is in 1 day of work and this 10 days is in 1 by 10th of the work in 1 day totally. In 1 day totally, so they can complete 9 by 40. This is what 1 day work. So if you want total days is nothing but inverse 40 by 9. So n days equal to 1 by n. 1 by n. 1 n days equal to 1 by n. Yes. Right. So if I have the 1 by n, then I can find the n, right? Then, so this is very, very important. So 1 by n means we can find out the n, just inverses. Then note it down, guys. Now the same problem we can solve by using the LCM. We try to solve by LCM. What they said, A can do a piece of work in 8 days and B can do the same work in 10 days. Now what's the LCM of this one? 40. 10 and 8 is nothing but 40, right? So this A can do one day 40 by 8. That means 5 units of the work. That means 40 apples. So we find that 40 apples is there. That 40 apples A can eat in 8 days. 8 days. That means in one day, 5 apples he can eat. And B can do 4 units or 4 apples in one day. So A can eat 5 apples in a day and B can eat 4 apples in a day. Now this is comes under the LCM. Directly I took the LCM, that's a 40. I assume that is a 40 apples is there. And A can eat and then A can eat in 8 days. Total 8 days. That means in one day 40 by 8 it is 5. And second thing, B is in 10 days. LCM is 40. Okay. 10 into 4 it's nothing but 40. That means B can do 4 units. B can do 4 units. And A can do 5 units. Okay. Done. So now this is 5. Sorry. This is 5A and 4 is B. Now totally 9. So 9 apples they can eat in one day. A can eat 5 apples and B can eat 9 apples. Both can eat 9 apples in a day. 9 apples in a day. Right? 9 apples in a day. And so now what's the efficiency of this? Is nothing but so 40 by 9. Done. 40 by 9. See, A and B together they can eat 9 apples in a day. 9 apples in a day. They need to complete 40 apples. 40 apples. Okay, that is number 40 by 9. Then no, come to the another question. Guys, do you have any doubt in this up to this LCM method and rule of flip? Both are different, ma'am. Why I am teaching you the both? Then you need to know the concept of both. Okay. Then only you can solve easily. You can solve easily if any type of question. Okay. Now, second question. Come to the second question. I think this problem you people will solve. A can do a piece of work in 25 days. First thing. And B can do same work, can finish in 30 days. Okay. So A can 25 days, B can in 30 days. And the work together for 5 days. They work for 5 days, both. How much work is left? They're asking how much work is left. Okay. Now, first of all, take the LCM of these two. It's nothing but 150, right? What is this 150 units? Are apples, whatever you just assume, 150 laddus. Whatever, you just assume that the total work is nothing but 150 units or 150 apples or 150 laddus. Then, so this 150 apples, A can eat in 25 days. Just divide by 25. We'll get 1 day capacity. What's that 1 day capacity? It's nothing but 6 apples. Okay. Now, in the same way, 150 apples by 30 days. 30 days. In 1 day, how many apples? Nothing but 5 apples. So, if B is only working on this, B can eat 5 apples in a day. If A is only working on this, he can eat 6 apples in a day. 6 apples in a day. Okay, right. Now, what they're asking, they have worked for 5 days. That means they together they're working. Together they're working means 5 plus 6. So A can do 6. A can eat 6 apples. B can eat 5 apples. So both, if you are adding, then it is nothing but 11. So 11 is a 1 day work. 1 day can eat the apples. Guys, yeah. See, so 1 day they can eat. 1 day they can eat 11 apples. 11 apples. So how many days they work for? How many days they eat? So 1 day it is 11 apples they can eat both. Now 5 days they work for together. 5 days. 5 into 11 is nothing but 15 days. Okay, sorry, 55. 55 apples they can complete in 5 days. So remaining, how much work is there? How much work is there? The total is 150 and for 5 days it is 55. Then guys, 150 minus 55 is nothing but 95 units still left. Still left. So guys, give the response fastly, ma'am. So what I'm expecting from you, just a response only, that's it. Okay. 95 apples still is remaining. Is it clear? No. See, ma. See. A can do. A can eat. Okay, not do. Okay, just think. A can eat some apples in 25 days. And B can eat the same number of apples in 30 days. Okay. Now find out the apples. How many apples? Just take the LCM. LCM is nothing but 150. That means each day A can eat 6 apples. And each day B can eat 30 days, right? So 150 apples in 30 days. In each day is nothing but 5 apples. So A can eat 6 apples and B can eat 5 apples. Right? So in 1 day, that is individually A can eat 6 apples. Individually B can eat 5 apples. But if they are working together, that means in 1 day, the both persons can complete 11 apples, right? 11 apples they can eat. And how many days they work for like this? 11 apples they are eating every day. How many days they work for like this? Yes. No. 55. Guys, second time, at least second time you get the answers now. So they both can work, both can join and work together. That means 5 plus 6 is the limit. Right? So one day they can eat 11 apples. So totally how many apples is there? 150 apples is there. And in one day, like 11, in 5 days, it's 55 apples they can eat, right? 55 apples is there. Then 140. Sorry. Where I'm see 150 minus 55 is nothing but 95. So 95 apples still is remaining to eat. Okay. Okay, guys. Done. Now. Not like this. No, not this one. I'll give another question. Just wait. I'll give another question. Yeah. Raj and Ram working together. Do a piece of work. In 10 days. Raj alone can do it in 12 days. Ram alone will be do the work in how many days? Right. Now, check this. Check this one. So Ram and Raj and Ram working together a piece of work in 10 days. So both they are working. Both they are working. That means it is 10 days. And Raj alone can do it in 12 days. So they're asking Ram alone will do the work in how many days? Okay, they're asking like this. So same type of problem, but what they given together work. First they given together work and one person work. They're asking to find another person work. Just same. What is that? 10 days. 10 days is both, right? 12 days is Raj. Now, what is the Ram they're asking? What is the how many days for Ram they're asking? That's it. Okay. Now, take the LCM of these two. The same method, easy method actually. LCM method is easy. What is that? LCM of these two? It's nothing but 60, right? 60 is the LCM. and both can do 60 by 10 is nothing but 6. So actually totally 60 apples, ma'am. Okay, 60 apples. Both can finish in 10 days. That means 60 by 10 is nothing but 6 apples. 6 apples. Very easy one. So second one, the Raj 60 by 12. So 60 apples in 12 days. 12 days, right? It's nothing but 5 apples. 5 apples. So individually Raj will eat 5 apples in a day, and both can eat 6 apples in a day. Now, what's the difference here? Now, what's the difference? Both, that means nothing but Raj plus Ram only, right? So Raj plus Ram equal to 6. So only Ram equal to 6 minus Ram. Sorry, Raj. So it's nothing but 1. Ram will eat 1 apple. 1 apple. Okay. Ram, 1 apple in a day. How many apples is there? 60 apples is there. 60 apples by 1. 60 days. Then, so Ram can eat 1 apple in a day. That means he can take 60 days. Yeah, ma, you can. Okay. And that's what. Okay. One more last problem we'll see, and we'll stop this class. Okay. See. Just try to do, otherwise we'll do in the next class. A can do 75%. A can do 75% of the job in 9 days, and B can do half of the job in 8 days. If they work in together, then how many days can they do half the job? So first of all, you have to read the carefully question. They are asking how many days will complete half the job, not full work actually. They are asking to only how many days will take half of the work. So here it is very important. So first thing, so A can do 75%. It means it is nothing but 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4 in 9 days. Right? And half of the work means another B, half the work, 1 by 2 work in half the work in how many days? 8 days. 8 days. No. Yes. One if 3 by 4th of the work in 9 days means in. Just calculate this. 3 1s, 3 3s, and 4 3s is nothing but 12. This is nothing but 12. Okay. And this is nothing but into 8. It is 16. Total work I am calculating. 75% of the work in 9 days. Okay. 75% of the work in 9 days. Total work, that means 100% of the work is nothing but in 12 days. And half, 50% are half work of the 8 days. So complete work is nothing but double. So 16 days. It is 16 days and it is 12 days, right? Now take the LCM of these two. 12 and 16 is nothing but 48 is the LCM. 48. That means A can finish 1 day 4 apples. 1 day 4 apples. Just write this. And 4 apples. And B can finish 3 apples. Right? So together they can eat 7 apples in a day. In a day, together they can eat 7 apples, right? 7 apples. But what they're asking to find, half of the days, half of the job, how many days, right? So half of the That means it's 48 is a full work. 48 is a full work. So half work is nothing but 24 by 7 is the answer. Right? Done? Okay. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow also same time, join 1:45 p.m. exactly. Then we'll continue this topic and up to many questions will solve here. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.